Old school day, that be our Thursday. Every Thursday now our old school day. But I get one particular quote where I see, they say, make you smile all the time. Say one day, life go tired to the upset you. I tell you.
Nice.
Life go tired to the upset you. So make you, before we call, life go definitely get tired to the upset you. Okay. So keep on smiling, no matter the situation.
But I person get good dentition, I'm good.
It's not like even if your bad is still shine on. You feel still go help you straighten the teeth.
You don't hear them.
Need to find person, even if you did like cool amount.
You don't hear them. So every time for your life on Talk we they tell you say make sure say you smile, because one day every go day better. Today go day very, very wonderful. We get our old school video as usual. We get our waiting day hot. We get cocoa of the day. We get real chore, plenty things. Now we carry take join body today. My name is Sirimen Uwi Ehigiamusoy. Welcome to our Thursday edition of Talk, where be our old school day. The ladies then go introduce themselves. But now modern days, ladies now they be you. They go introduce themselves one by each.
Anyway, for me, I still carry my Oshuka, take be like old school, you know, everything. Like I won't go sell market. My name still remain Betiana Unweli.
Modern day Oshuka.
Modern day Oshuka.
My name is Maka Okudiafo. Good afternoon. Me, I drop the old for the old people because I still the young, ever looking young. My name still remain Queen B.
Why you they silence that Obalo?
Because they go shout the top there.
I don't shout.
Okay, call them now, not go shout.
Get your time today, sir.
Just call them now, we'll not go shout.
Queen B, Obalo.
Obalo. Why did I join that? Oh, I joined that.
I don't know.
All right. Time Dobby for us to talk within day hot, within actually day hot. So make we go on, Abby.
Yes.
All right. Now our first story for today concerns Mercy Johnson. Mercy Johnson. I like that. Please give me those soundtracks.
Don't worry. I'm there for you.
Where is her? There is
let's clap.
You know so what Twitter talks and now wow, this one now
All right, now we not say Mercy Johnson. She entered train for inside we Obodo Naija here. And the train where she enter, plenty people don't they attack the poor woman. Say why she go decide to enter train.
That crime.
They don't they attack her. On top Twitter, on top Facebook, on top everywhere, they don't they attack her. Say why she decide to enter train. Say she they actually do all those promoting. She they do bebe. She they try form say na she sabi pass. All right, so now she don't come aside come give answer to all the question them where people they ask her say why she actually decide to enter the train. Now she talk plenty things. She actually dish out plenty words, but we will just pick one or few things where she talk. She talk say the train they available where she dey. He said most importantly, she said she be no one turn down the opportunity for her to deal with people who would ordinarily not have access to her. So she grabbed the opportunity with both hands and she entered the train, the waka they go. She can't even thank her co-passengers, so she thank officials of the train who say they treat her very well with respect and courtesy, and she really did grateful. I know say people go attack her now. Say she talks saying, now the only opportunity now she get to be with the ordinary people, where on a normal day not go get access to her.
Ordinary in good, I mean.
Ordinary people. Now I want to ask another question. Anything make celebrity different from normal people? Because celebrity enter train now she needs to come outside with excuse why she enter train. If you enter bicycle, you need to come outside with excuse
why you enter
bicycle. But really, anything they wrong with celebrity and ordinary people?
We are going to say no, because at first when I first see the picture, I think say na Yankee she did. First of all, I'm not going to lie. I think say na Yankee she did. So how come understand say Yankee you deal with people who be the ordinary? Then secondly, talking about ordinary people, we no go ordinary people we no go ordinarily get opportunity to see you. Sorry, Mercy Johnson, I like you so much, but this one you really know make am, because you don't owe anybody explanation number one, because when talk on too much, like go enter inside. Now, so you mean. So you don't even get reason to explain to anybody. You can't explain, say your Range Rover now spoil. So you confuse, say, okay, opportunity there for you to enter train. Now you enter inside train, and the people where they there, they treat you with respect. And sorry, you be passenger. Everybody should be treated well. We should be treated equal. In short, they weren't supposed to sack those people where they for duty, where you they talk, say then they treat you specially because hey, we be Nigerians, we all not equal. Sorry, okay, now you come from, be like say you come from Lagos State. Well, go say okay, Lagosians, you don't see the light of the day. Now rock they in our village. So sorry,
Hey,
no talk say people ordinary. Not really. Nobody ordinary.
Now there I will carry on from. True. No be say I know some as crime say she enter train or anything, mix up with people, which normally she supposed they do. Mix up people make them sabi you. But the fact say she come put them as ordinary people. Who be the person will be ordinary? Who she give definition as ordinary? Say people where they buy her movie, where they give her the money where she take they make herself. People where they sell for where she go buy something say she want chop. Now there be the ordinary. That day I go just find fault anyway. That ordinary. Now make me say ordinary in quotes. I don't see any reason why them do train for everybody now. You be said they do train, they do car, they do boat, they do plane. Now everybody they enter the thing do transportation. Not be transportation for everybody. Everybody get transportation. So I don't see the reason why I go say now ordinary people. I mean we expect all of now all the people we call say them all of now enter train. If ordinary person as you say no drive the car go driver. I don't understand though because now driver now she go call the driver ordinary person too. Meanwhile that driver they drive them they make her get to it. I find fault for ordinary. Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay. For me, I no find fault for the ordinary. Because number one, now those same ordinary people come outside, begin to attack her and say, why you enter inside train? We asked some question. She said, what make a celebrity different from the normal people? And the things we make celebrity different from normal people now because of one, they expect say the celebrity no go enter train. Now the first difference be that. And at them, what's the difference?
Sorry, what's be the meaning of celebrity?
Say then they celebrate
Who
them.
they
For
celebrate
what you
them?
what she they act fame and then they celebrate and say, oh, she be wonderful actress. And now what make them different? Not be everybody feel act to that standard where she they act. And now the difference with that. Okay. Secondly, she called them ordinary people. On a normal day, yes, she feel. For me, I feel say she called them ordinary people because of the way they come outside, come attack her. She said her motor spoiled, she entered train. Nobody needs to question her on why she entered train. If she they do publicity for the train, now her own turn question now where she they see her business to take chop. So it not consign anybody. Actually, it gets some certain things where people need to know that okay, celebrity or no celebrity, we all be human beings, and anything where if it happen to you, and when no be celebrity, still if it happen to the celebrity, they not carry 10 head. Now the same one head all of us carry enter this world. Now the same red blood there, our own, not be green blood and get for inside their body, I be blue blood. So now the same things where if it happen to you on a normal day, now it go happen to them as well. So all the time people go say why she enter train. Some people go even say why she not even call a cab or something. She can decide to do anything. Say she be celebrity, no mean say she just wake up say okay I want to spend money anyhow. The train they cheaper for her and she decides say okay I want to enter train. So nobody needs to the question and say what to do. And on top the issue where you say they give her special treatment, she no beg for the special treatment.
Of course,
like the people where they she must yes it is called policy. She thank them because then give them, but she no beg for them. Now then give them.
Okay, but make I check them out for what you talk now. I understand. I respect her. Say she actually won't patronize the Nigeria because if I tell you, say I did see that train. Not until last 2 weeks where I go Badagry. Now I don't they get the picture of when they say train will soon start to they work for Nigeria. Now I start to they get them for head. And actually when I see them, I know nothing. I saw the inside B.
Okay.
It's fine, good. But what's in at the talk? We say you don't owe anybody explanation if they attack you. That's number one. Then when you want talk, because you be celebrating and then they celebrate you, mark or mind the language where you go use. Now, where we default her be that. No be say, when you say, oh, okay, sorry, my dear fan, my car be stopped. Now, say, make I enjoy it when I enjoy it to see.
And if I would like you to say, she say, everyday people. No be
okay,
ordinary.
can we please just let this thing be? No, wait. Make I just tell you something now. Queen B talk something, my fans. You talk something. What did you talk just now?
Everyday people.
Everyday people. That shows we are different in our thoughts. The time when she did right time, what it come ahead now, be with the ordinary people. She not fit think the way where you want think. She not fit think the way when me one thing. She not fit think the way when Queen Bee one thing or Betiana one thing. Now what did she think for her head? Now she put for grand. Yes, I understand where they come from. Say because people they celebrate you need to be careful of the kind of words where she use. But I don't see anything wrong in waiting she used in terms of the context where she put. But really, let's face the facts. She get level.
Okay.
She's a celebrity. She's celebrated. If she enter Mushina, everybody go gather her. Will she want to say that because I'm a celebrity, I need to humble myself? Okay, I'll say, oh, and these are we are on the same, they're my colleagues. Okay, no, okay, maybe people expect her to come outside and say, I want to enter train with my colleagues because I don't really understand. They are really ordinary people. I'm not saying that we
Nobody
Nigerians...
is ordinary.
Wait, for me,
I am not ordinary.
Now your own
but that's your own view now.
But for me, I give her kudos
made.
say she even entered the train because she not thinks these people they fit can't rob me unto say okay then go believe say I get money they fit can't tax me or obtain me. She not look all those things.
I not say why do we celebrate celebrities? Why? Because if Chris Van come here now, all of us go they hail him, they celebrate her. Oh, let me take a picture with you. Okay, why don't we see ourselves on the same level with him? Why?
And say
okay, but
why don't we like say will you go and sit down? Why?
For me, I know they celebrate person except you don't actually impact on at least 1 or 2 people's life. Now they celebrate you based on what you don't do for the person life. I know they celebrate you based on say because they see you for TV. Anybody can be on TV, but you get the opportunity to do there. Yes, impact on somebody. Then I call you celebrity. On that note, I respect what she do. No, I respect what she do. I like her act. I in short, her talents they extraordinary. But I they talk in as much as we they celebrate you. Now just correction for next time's sake. Maybe some people no pick offense, but I tell you, some other go pick offense. Say, pick offense. Like what you talk, say we think differently. You don't think I'm that way, but I think I'm that way because I believe say nobody be ordinary.
But you know what? For me, just this last one. For me, I feel say we need to pipe like Betiana pipe low. We need to take them easy with the way we just feel easy to just attack celebrities. Yeah. We really need to take them easy. I feel because of the kind of person where she be, that's why she tell her public relations person say, I beg you need to bring out some kind statement out to apologize to the people. Say, I am sorry for entering train. I am in Nigeria for crying out loud.
Yeah, that freedom. I
am sorry for entering train. No. It's not just in Nigeria. See, let me tell you, train is the easiest means of transportation abroad.
Everywhere, yeah.
And you go see celebrities, they enter train because it's easy for them and it's affordable and they fast. So because she had, everybody make una take am easy with this girl, please.
In short, when I start to enter train.
Please. Just because say you be celebrity, not make you less of a human being or not make you more of a human being.
Yeah.
She's still as we are. I'm telling you, she's still as we are. So if she want to eat bole and granite for street, you are free.
It's allowed.
If you want to enter machine, you are free to. If you want to enter Okada, no, Molue,
Keke Marwa. If you want to use your leg at this joint,
you can.
The leg is the best stuff.
Because you are in Nigeria, my sister.
They never begin to obtain.
Anyway, let's move on. At least you don't satisfy them. Nigerians, you can never be satisfied. Even the explanation. Let me tell you, even the explanation which been come out.
People
go
see,
online.
they will still find issues.
I actually see them. Some people actually no talk things will make sense. So that's why they blame and say why she reply.
Points. You can never satisfy Nigerians. Neither can you satisfy human beings.
Thank you. All right, our next story. This one actually something will happen for inside Enugu State, and it concerned one Chintua and Ayebe. Now, what happened? You're going to need to understand what happened. For inside Enugu, Chintua. Chintua. Okay, Chintua. Chintua.
Continue, no worry.
Chintua.
Don't stretch your mouth too much.
But now, Chintua.
Chintua.
Continue with the story. Leave it.
Okay. Now, I concern Chintua and Ayebe. Now, what happened? We go tell you. Now, waiting for inside the Enugu State, for the neighborhood where they live for face me, I face you. According to the information we get, Chintua don't they answer question because she do waiting. She pour hot water on top Ayebe body. Now, why she actually pour hot water? She come outside talk, say she did bathroom, and Ayebe they come peep for bathroom. They see her nakedness. So that now why she retaliates back, come pour hot water for him body. Now they can't ask her, say, police don't ask her, say, why you do this kind of badness? She talks, say, on that fateful day when she will take her bath, say, Ayebe, they peep, they see her, and you don't see her nakedness. This thing actually they gory. We're going to need to come out the picture so that we not go make you no one chop again. All right. So Ayebe can't reply. He can't talk say, this old thing so will happen to me, this kind of badness. He said the thing happened as if he want enter bathroom to take him bath. Only to be stopped by Chintwa because say she want take her bath first. He said like play, Chintwa enter inside her house, go report to her husband. As Chintwa come outside, Chintwa pour water for him body. So now in the claim say, he know they peep for to look Chintwa for inside bathroom.
They make me they laugh.
I know. They look Chintwa for inside bathroom. But Chintwa they claim say, him be the peep and he can't see my nakedness. Ladies, we need to choke mouth inside this matter. You feel say Chintwa get any right to pour hot water on this man's body? Or you feel say, yes, she get right to pour hot water for this man's body?
You know, so they talk something about first reactions when you dey vex, something you go do when you vex, you no go know. You just do am. Be like saying everything happened to her.
She say she not plan am because I can imagine the time to boil water. She say she not plan am because say the man quickly rush, enter inside bathroom, go bath. So let me quickly boil this water. Because really, I just try to imagine.
No, that's why I try to talk now. She do am with vex within her mind. Okay. You know, some people, they need to relax first before they do any other thing. But this one, the first thing we enter her head now, I must pour this guy hot water. Now the vex where they are head be that. Say, why this guy would they peep me? If now waiting happen be that. Because now two stories just give us now. She talk say the guy they peep. The guy talk say he know they peep. So there are two stories we hear. So on our side, if true the guy they peep and have anger don't go say I must pour this guy water. Now the first thing when she think be that. I not talk say they okay. I not talk say they right. I know they talk maybe now the vex where they are head. Because on a good day, yes, if it's report to the person, maybe they get one story where we talk one time another way we talk say the guy bend down the people. Then neighbors gather now and give her beating of the life. They give her reshaping brain. If they say she do that one, we know say they for help the guy reset him brain. Immediately instant and they for reset him brain before he even think of say he won't rush enter bathroom or all those stories where the guy talk. That one for happen. But if we can't look the guy's side now, and true the guy no true peep this woman, then now another story dey ground. Either the woman they like the guy and the guy no good for her.
America.
That's true lah. Whether she dey married or not married, is there possibility where she don dey hide the man?
No, I
she dey hide the man since that the man no gree, and she come see opportunity for her where she for do the man wickedness.
Or maybe they get kata for
or they get kwanta somewhere. Is that possible?
Yeah. Well, for me, as she claims, say she been the bath, and I know plenty things they enter my head because number one, okay, we know say some people as she get better like that, hormones they run through her body, so we know if we think what she they think at that particular point. Maybe at the time where we say the hormone don't reach 100 degrees and she just feels say okay, oh, now hot water be the next thing. But until the man claim again, even if she talk say yes, she be one bath and the man won't first enter and she says she go inside, go meet her husband. Her husband suppose don't they able to stop her and say where you carry hot water they go to. Unless if the hot water already there, maybe she be one use and bath. To say she be person where just born picking. I go say okay, they always use hot water, so the hot water don't just stand by. Yeah. But this na person wey still get belle, she won't roast the pikin for inside belle of the house. So how the hot water take appear for that place? So me I feel say it still get some kind of story where we say we never hear. Like Amaka talk, maybe them don't get quanta beforehand, before this issue happen. Maybe in they peep him, but they don't already get quanta and she don't already plan and say today na hot water and God can't help him, he can't go peep him again join. So everything just blends. Say okay, today I don't cash you. Now she can the whole thing.
But me go say, you know, say when you there for face me and face you, as I don't stay there before. Yeah, I don't stay there before, so I feel explain to you. You all of them are tush kids. Yes, we know we go way back. Tush kids, we go way back, you know. If you stay for face me and face
because
you,
we will not give you our own experience.
You know, say their bathroom space they day.
But me, I don't get face
get grade. She too one for use rapper. When you know, say what's the guy name?
Chintwa.
Ayebe.
They call their peep. You forgot, but Ayebe I beg. Pregnant woman. Some people they like that.
Some men they attracted to pregnant women.
But if you say, as Amaka talk, it get one thing, one matter where they never settle within themselves. Is either the man, she and the man be don't get trouble before, so when she can't get pregnant, now the hatred can't grow. Because I don't see how you take vex rich, you can't go put fire, start to the boil water boil, you can't walk come out for house, come inside bathroom, come pour all the best for body. Wow, and no one touch you. there's a plan, so they need to investigate the matter. But I say she don't get any rights to actually do this one to the person. No right, she don't get right at all.
All right, for me, the moral of this lesson be say, make you think first before you act.
I know the peep person with the
I know the peep person with the bath because you're pregnant or not. Tomorrow if it be something else, so tomorrow if it be something else. So you where they say for face me, I face you. Una go need to take them easy. I know say una they share one bathroom and one toilet.
But the landlords too, when they provide
landlords, you are wicked. I think we need to buy small break, Jerry. When we come back, plenty things today for you to grab for the show. When we come back. All right, you're welcome back. But the thing be say you're going to need to put your mouth inside all the things that we don't drop for you. Our first story concerned Mercy Johnson as she entered train for inside Nigeria. But people don't they come outside, they attack her, say, why you go enter train? Why? But now she don't come outside, can give reason why she entered train. Say her car spoil, but she be want enter train with ordinary people. So when they ask you where they out there, what do you think about this train where she don't enter? It bad or it not bad? Make sure say you put your mouth on top at Top Talk for Twitter. And our second story concerns the woman we don't throw all thought for her neighbor body, all because she come outside talk say the neighbor be the peep look her as she the bath for inside bathroom. So they ask you, the thing where she do, is good or is not good? Enter Twitter at Top Talk Wazobia. Make sure say we read your tweets today before we come up for inside the studio. Because if we not read them,
go pain us.
It go pain us. It's good to talk the truth.
You better talk true now.
All right, let me move on. Why you they actually do?
Why should they clear
Now
truth?
rich man they do like that.
I know that.
We know big man
practice
clearing
my
of truth.
future riches.
Amen. All right, our next story for today, we want to carry you enter inside South Africa because one kind of badness don't happen for inside South Africa. Anyway, not be badness in a way, but not actually good thing. Not good news. Relax. Not face don't hyper.
Okay.
Relax. Not good news.
I don't bring out my eye like
now
that.
badness turn good.
Okay.
Now one baby where they steal from her mother as a baby 17 years ago, they don't find her. They don't see her. They don't bring her back to her family.
Yeah, we supposed to clap.
Miraculous.
Oh yeah, clap. Rich man, not the clap.
No.
All right. They thought saying a happy union that way, reunion that time, when they actually see baby where they steal from her mama arms. Shortly after birth for inside South Africa, say they find that the kind of way that they find this beginning, they very, very strange and very, very divine.
Okay.
Yes. Now the talk say the person will actually do this crime. They say now 50-year-old woman, and they don't arrest her and they don't charge her for kidnapping. See the woman for the now the woman is actually seeing now see her face, see her mouth. Actually, they don't charge her now because if she kidnapped. She wicked. See.
Yes, sir.
She wicked. She kidnapped this young girl 17 years ago. Now, they say one of the students for inside the school where the girl they attend, now can notice some kind of resemblance where she and this girl gets. She can't need to go tell her parents for her, say, Mommy, you get one particular girl from my school where we resemble, like say tomorrow, not day. Like how me and Chika resemble now. We go need to do DNA.
Oh wait, now the girl's sister. They be sisters.
Yes, now they be biological sister.
Sisters,
Okay,
but now
nice.
for
Biological sister, and now for school now they meet each other. They be friends for school, but later they can't discover say this kind of resemblance we get.
it's too much.
It's too much. We need to check her inside. Even our parents can't even come see say this resemblance, something is fishy. So they can't need to carry the girl go do DNA test.
And the girl
Can't
follow
discover
them.
say the girl follow. They can't discover say this one now the pikin where I born because we get the same blood group, the same everything. 17 years after, baby where they steal from my mama, they don't find the baby. And the kind way they find her for inside school, where the girl they attend 17 years after. That one means said the baby was living well.
Yeah.
If the baby fit go school.
Yes.
But that woman is a wicked woman.
Yes.
Very wicked.
She's
How
supposed
una
to
see
get
this
reason.
matter really? You feel say any reason they enough? Like
She's
as you
supposed to
talk.
get reason.
You know, you
Any
see,
reason they enough?
you know why that resemblance and the parents actually take charge, say, oh, they won't go test the thing because then get the result, say, we've been lost one baby before. You understand? No, it to say the pikin die. Yoruba they talk say, omotoku, that's your omotonulo, that's way lost. You understand? Because the one way lost, you don't know whether I see their life, whether I don't die, whether they sick, whether they suffer. You understand all those things. So for them to see them and they say blood is thicker than water. And at moments where blood, they actually speak in language with this one. He actually speak and he makes sure he just find the right time because it to say they can't go to check all because, and they know they stay far from each other. Oh. This thing will happen. They know actually they stay far from each other. So if they know they stay far from each other, that nurse, they're very wicked because you gonna know the pains when those people don't go through, come back from hospital. You know, if you explain to people, you know, tell them say the pikin die, you know, sick, you know, we just born and they no see pikin again for inside hospital. How imagine the kind of story.
In fact,
so
the
for
story-
me, she really wicked. But the good thing is say she get the love of the pikin for her heart because na pikin she actually need. We make her maybe not a lonely person. You understand where she take do that one. So I'll give her kudos, but she got to face the wrath of the law.
So they give her an excuse.
No, I know.
Now
Yeah,
just they ask.
say she take care of the pikin. What of the one where go still go carry the pikin go do ogboni?
All na stealing.
I understand, but this stealing they carry white for body.
What if not be stealing? What if not arrangement
Now,
with
wait
the nurse? Because they happen for
They
them.
sell children. Yeah, they sell
Some
That's
nurse
it,
don't
they
sell
babies.
children. I
She
they ask
kidnap.
because now the woman never come outside talk.
Talk, yes.
But they ask and a question: what if na arrangement with nurse or
Say then
doctor?
sell for her, collect money.
I still feel say thief na thief.
Of course, my sister.
Because
Of course.
the fact say you steal person pikin, you get mine. Steal another person pikin. If they say na you born that pikin and then thief am, you know what the kind psychological effect. The one that the person wey even born the pikin try, because born another, I think to give birth to another one, the kind way you go dey hold that one, you go dey care, you go dey hold am, you go say make dem no come carry this one again, or make you go just dey very very careful to a fault. The pikin wan do something, fit dey even, but she try because e be like say she allow the pikin do wetin so tey the pikin even dey able to go school and I don't know as I think, but I just feel say na pure wickedness.
Wickedness join the matter. You get
Pure
under finger.
wickedness, and you can't be one. You can't add again. Say the girl they just next door neighbor or next
Blocks,
street
few
after,
blocks
few
away.
blocks after. That one is another total wickedness. All is still wickedness. Where if they say even say the pikin waka travel, we know say you travel, carry the pikin comot. Just go train the pikin. When you finally decide say you want do goodness or when they can't carry the pikin come back. I don't even know a reason. I just feel say na wickedness. I go cry am up. Wickedness
In capital letter.
in capital letters.
Well, for me, everybody talks say wickedness, but we actually the only thing we know say na they say them thief pikin. We don't know the means where they take thief the pikin, like you talk, whether na say she go hospital say I need pikin and na the nurse help and steal the pikin from birth, or whether she just help her to say actually they find pikin and they say we get pikin, don't bring money, and she give them money and she don't even know say na her neighbor pikin. They just carry pikin come give them. We don't know the full story of how the pikin come. Yes, na crime. Say she no say the pikin no be legal because she no legally adopt the pikin. That na the own crime. Where me I go say now on top her part. But apart from that, we don't get the other information to take say okay she wicked. We don't know whether she use her own hand go carry the pikin from where the pikin been there. Yes. But for the fact say she actually care for the pikin, like you talk again, now sake of say okay maybe she didn't lonely and she gets the resources. Now why she say okay I need pikin? Maybe she don't live her life and she no feel born. And eventually she say, okay, all these resources where I get, make I even get pikin where I want to spend them on top. Adoption process
for Africa,
we actually no fit.
Adoption.
See, we actually no fit the point finger because we not get the full story. We gonna need to know everything based around the situation before we feel say, okay, the wickedness is there on that finger, they should no quick show them or something. But for the fact that the pikin they live well, I feel say the court said then go still look at him say, okay, you actually take care of the pikin to an extent. You don't even know that they live better than
the original
the one way they
parents.
with the parents.
It's possible.
But you know, say if not,
yes, you know they're right. Oh, of course,
Yeah.
she go face the law. But at the same time, we know. I don't feel like we get any right to the point finger. Say, okay, you wicked.
Oh no, the thing why people they thought say she wicked now because of the kidnapping part of it. Because even the law goes to say you're wicked because of the kidnapping part of it, and they go to sentence you. Now for the care part of it, we give her kudos for it. But for the kidnapping, if really not true. Now she actually wicked inside. But for me, I know even they look her, whether the badness which she do or waiting the parents do, and they actually look the pikin life. This, as in the pikin life, don't totally change. Because I can imagine growing up with someone, calling person my mother for 17 years, and wake up another day, discover, say the mother who I call 17 years, not be my real mother, we don't take care of me, but she did prison. Why me? I still day for inside. I still day enjoy my life, and then I'm starting my life all over again with another family.
You start to learn their principles for their house.
Now the pikin now they actually feel for.
Yes.
If they get
they don't play with her brain.
Any place where they fit carry her go, it may be psychiatric, what they call them?
Psychologist.
To actually restructure, as in a lot of things they need to do to that pikin because I just feel for her really.
But what of if the pikin choose because she did 17, she don't turn adult, decide say okay that one way first adopts me, I go actually decide to stay with them, but I know say this was not my biological.
Oh yes,
and life still don't change.
Yes, I understand, but to me 50-50 it is a bit fair.
And life don't change still.
Than totally take off that child at 17.
And life don't change still. No one go get right to tell her what to do right now.
No, she go make that decision by herself.
That's why her life go to change. She go need person to direct her.
So every mistake she go make
herself.
She
really need person to direct her right now.
I feel say maybe we also look at the mother. Both of them get parts to play. The mother don't already get children where she don't grow up with.
No matter.
And this particular girl 17 years old.
This particular girl 17 years old don't grow up with another principles where another woman they teach her.
Don't teach her.
So the mother it go get it very hard
for her
the mother to get rolled for inside that.
Yes.
I know as you go they think she say 17 you know even matter, you know find me, you know do all this thing. Now their way of thought they different.
You know be Oyibo South African now.
South African.
Now Oyibo now.
Now black.
All right, put your mouth inside, enter Twitter at Wazobia. Go tell us what you think about the story of the woman who kidnapped this pikin 17 years ago, but now they don't see the pikin. What do you think about the story? Enter Twitter at Wazobia. Now, our last story today on Top Waiting Day Hot concern the kind we get where they happen between Karuche and Chris Brown.
Gang.
Now, we know say a new report don't come outside say Chris Brown say he have come and get pikin. And according to the report we get, the pikin where Chris Brown gets, now actually Karuche friend, now he born the pikin for Chris Brown. Now the updated story, now you hear so.
Whoa.
So now, plenty things don't come outside, plenty things. There are people they come outside talking at the time where they do one kind of groove like that, where Karuche and Chris Brown and Karuche friend go, now Chris Brown drink, come gas to sleep with Karuche friend. Plenty things now don't come outside. But the cocoa of the story be say, Chris Brown gets pikin, and he not tell Karuche say, your friend is pregnant for me. So now that one, now they actually vex Karuche on top of this matter. So Karuche don't enter inside Twitter, she don't talk her mind. She say, listen, he said, one can only take so much. He said, I wish the best of luck to Chris and his family. He said, no baby drama for me. This one means say she have said goodbye to Chris Brown.
Oh.
But apart from saying goodbye to Chris Brown, I want to ask Una this question. You love a man. Una don dey date for some years now, let's say 3-4 years, and you can't discover, say, the man give another girl belle, and the other girl will give belle don born. You go stay with the man, or you go come out, or you go do like Karuche.
Silence.
Now you will want to talk. Love bird.
Because you are in the love. Now you they promote love, yeah. So I really want to know what you have to say.
You don't say nobody picked up.
Love perfect. I don't they shake my leg. I say yes.
You.
They look cool. Sit there.
Talk.
Okay. I would talk. I don't sit on my mouth and I want hear.
Not be your mouth.
When I go hear him and I go give him point.
Okay.
You love the man. Now love will talk so. Now love will talk.
I say you did a relationship
Wait,
with man
now.
for 4 years. I don't
Wait.
say love.
You
Why are you
wait.
explaining what I'm
You're
saying?
wasting
Now you
time.
tell me love.
Oh Lord.
Now you tell me love.
Okay, love.
You did in a
Lord.
relationship.
See, she keep her
You did
cue card.
relationship.
She want to explain
Okay, let
love.
us give her the platform.
All right, explain love,
Thank
please.
you. You did in a relationship with a man. You like this man. And your best friend, now you can't call be the man. You say the man, they drunk. You hear different stories. The man come me to tell you, say, and as in tell you anything at all. He not tell you. Meaning say, he don't, that one no be the person we get belle for him. Now just baby mama, as we all know.
No, they don't come outside talk say no. I just want to explain something to her. I want to tell her something. They don't come outside talk say they don't get any attachment at all. They don't get any relationship at all with the girl. Say not just that baby only.
Not just the baby. Now the baby link them. Personally, me.
If na you, you go
I no
want go.
want. I no go want make my man get any other thing outside.
But if not you will you stay or you go
It's
do
not
like
person wey you
Karuche?
love.
Can we
I
at least address
no
the
go
question?
want to make my man get any other thing outside.
No, but if it happens,
let me
would
tell
you
talk
stay
now.
or not?
I no go want now.
So when
I
it
no
come
want
happen?
am, meaning say I go waka. I love him, but I go waka. Now the
Amaka,
love
you
I
just
get
said
from
love.
him.
Then that's
If
not
he
love.
really love me.
That's not love.
If he love me.
Amaka.
That's not love.
If he
Amaka.
That's not
Amaka.
love.
These are the answers that I show.
See, make I tell
go
you,
waka.
Chris
It go
Brown-
pain me, but I need to get over him.
What if Chris Brown no even know say the girl get belle before? Say after she don't born the girl don't born the pikin, I can't tell her say I get the belle. And later he come
We
and
still dey-
okay maybe now okay make I not even explain.
I
to
don't
you.
know why you did. She don't answer. So
Next,
she go.
so Amaka with your love.
Betiana, what do you think
not
to
go
this one?
stay.
No, serious talk.
I mean,
Because
for me,
very bad. Say he get another pick. Get.
They won't
I
kill
don't
the
make it be
pikin.
my own. I don't want share am. Now love with that. My love with that. My love they very.
Okay,
stingy.
love is stingy.
My own love
Her
they
own
stingy.
love this thing. Okay, for me, I say when you don't when you don't face different situations, you go know some kind of certain
Gang,
things
gang.
where you go do. This kind of issue, they're very I go call them technical. They're very technical because like when I talk, now love matter we they discuss here, and love not be something where you say if you just throw away, like say you buy a new shoe, you won't throw away the old one.
Alright.
This not person where you don't deal with for a very long time. Yes, all the bravado fit day. On top say you know even hear the informate from the person, you they hear them from media, be like Kim and Chris where then divorce on top television, you know. So that kind of thing they painful. Say I don't even hear them from you. I can't. Other people first hear them before me. It can't be like saying I me be laughing stock. It go pain me very well. I feel do the bravado say I know they do again, but make I know like giving her. Your heart love who you love. If you waka go 1 year, your heart go 2
years.
years with that person where you love, and you not go fit do anything about them. Apart from say yes, the baby drama go day. Say okay, once in a while the woman go they enter the picture and everything, and you go they pain you say the woman did the picture, but what thing don't happen. If you waka come on, no mean say that love where you get for that person, you go get them for another person. A lie. You don't feel love two different people the same way. So. For me, if na person where I love and na the love where I know na they talk about, I go stay. It go pay me.
From
and
today,
it go pay me,
Amaka
but
is no
I go
longer the
still
love
stay.
ambassador.
No.
Betiana is the love ambassador from today.
Because now
you don't know what is love.
Not only you talk say love the open eye, love the wear cloth,
Yes,
love the
that's
jump
the
for
reason why I
road.
talk am.
Amaka,
If you
listen.
love the person,
You go leave
You
am.
go need to see. You can't stay in a relationship. If the
Okay, make I tell
as
you,
don't
listen,
born
listen
pikin,
to
that
me.
pikin go
He not marry the pikin now. Can't you be the mother to the pikin?
Hey, then what's the mother go do?
No, even though the mother
And
is
na my
there,
best friend.
can't you take the baby of the man you love as yours, even though say the mother is there?
Wait,
Can't you?
No.
Okay, Amaka, make I tell you this
No,
one.
no.
You listen to me, make I talk. That pikin, they already born and they no go kill him.
Exactly.
You understand? That's one. Secondly, Chris no get anything to do with that baby. Listen how the drama take go. Calm down. Now then do party, he drink, he get belle. That girl fit get belle till 9 months. She don't even know who actually give her the belle. she born the pikin. Yes, 101%.
She be not know
She
now.
don't know who she
Now
born
when
the
the
pikin.
pikin
She
don
be
dey
now when they don born the
resemble.
pikin 4 years after. Pictures.
She be not know.
This it be like Chris know say, oh, one day, be like see something get down between me and this girl. He no just argue.
Okay, situation.
He no argue because he no say.
Even with the situation, you
I
can't change your
test this
mind.
okra soup. So
Exactly.
he no one just bother talk say, oh, now me get them or no me get them because when they put it side by side, yes, anything we go put it for trouble now. Okra
Yes,
go draw
because
you
they
put it
draw.
for trouble. Yes.
Yes.
Now. So they put the picture. Even him see him now. He say, Kai, I shall not pass this one. Me no say this one happen between us. And now I tell you, who be Kari Kuchi? I be Kuchi.
Karen Kucha.
Now Chris make her dey popular. So why is she important if she won't go because of say she no want love the guy? That means the waiting she dey look for before now fame she dey look for. She no actually love Chris because if you say you love somebody,
You
through
stay with
thick
him,
and
thick and
thin.
thin.
Listen to what he do Rihanna. He beats Rihanna black and blue, but she go back to Ram.
That's love.
Now love. Now people come tell us say
That's
no.
stupid love,
You
anyway.
understand? Yes, we know the advice.
But
say
at least
make
love
yes,
dey.
but real love. And Rihanna still talk of her recent interview. She talks say till tomorrow.
She will still love
she
him.
still love Chris, but she
can't go
can't
back.
help the situation because he's in love with another person. No, now he's in love with another person. Kariguchi be say he get belle for
Sister,
person.
no over talk.
Sorry, you don't really love. You don't know the definition of love.
No over talk. I bet we they come back. I beg, we they come back. We they come back. Yes, and welcome back, and I still talk with you on top Wazobia television. I did with my beautiful babies here. Everyone crucified me on top
baby,
love
I be
matter.
woman.
This is love of a thing when they like to
grow.
confuse.
I
They
don't
forget that
grow.
they get different type of love.
I
And my
hear
own
you.
love, it get us to take
You're on a
stingy
stingy
small.
love.
All right.
I don't let anybody hear you say there are different kinds of love.
Excuse me.
Love is love, generally.
Love is love, and people would get as they take the
You don't
experience.
ever see when
I don't
people
tell you
separate
say
and
that
they're
no
living
fit
in pain.
define love. I don't talk am before. You know fit define love. Love na feeling wey dey.
But you just
everybody.
defined it. You said love
said my
has different
own.
types.
My
Abaka, give us
own.
cocoa of the day, please. Hey,
That one I just
I dey
said,
vex.
just give us cocoa of the day.
As e be say na na old school we dey.
Why will you not
I
go
throw back old school na same thing. As e be say na old school Thursday we dey. I want something, I want cocoa of the day. Yeah. And the cocoa of the day be like this. Our parenting of today and parenting of those days. We know say nowadays our parents they very yippee-yoppie.
Hip hop,
Very informed.
And those days, hey, you come here. What is doing you? What is wrong with you? How can you leave my house without telling me? Those days. And now, which one it is a better pass?
How you make those days different?
I just
You make those days easy.
Well, for me, Amaka.
Wait.
Oh, you never finished?
No, she
If
never
you now want trick mouth put, run enter at talk Wazobia. Tell us what do you think about this cocoa of the day? Whether olden days parenting they better than these days parenting? Yeah, better now. Wait till you talk.
I never read it.
For me, I feel say olden days parenting, they very strong. I'll carry some part of olden days, put them with the modern day because really the modern day parenting they spoil picking like say tomorrow no day. You not feel I'm serious. I tell my sister the other day, I say you have to take it easy. I understand say nowadays, don't beat him. No, don't beat the child. You go school go tell you we don't beat.
Yes.
They don't.
Apart from that, anyway.
Okay.
But even the parents now, they don't they very lenient in their punishment. Oh, you did this, go to naughty corner. Now be the punishment for the pikin naughty corner.
Where you go
and
punishment.
And wait till be naughty corner. Just one side where you go sit down, only you go there.
You know it.
When your parents that they give you some kind of backpan for back.
That they lock door. 12 o'clock, middle of the night. So yeah, wake up, oh, come chop your cake.
My popsy they wake me up 1 a.m. for
Yes,
beating.
ma'am.
Oh, we wake up, it's time for beating. As in, you go wake up for beating.
I know they sleep.
Only you not go do them again. Some parents self and they naked you use. I don't like that one, Sha.
Yes,
no. I don't like that one. That's too extreme. That's why I said I go take some part of the olden days parenting and take some part of this new day, put them together to make sure say.
From your own parenting.
Yeah, but I prefer olden days parenting.
Yeah, but wait till me go talk. We say, see, before you get new, old don't they?
Yes.
You know go still take away the old for there. School talk say they know they be children. When you come back home, it's here in textbook. You shall receive beating of your life.
Simple.
My unborn child received, hear this one well. Open your ear, make you hear her. Say you come, you tear your book, I go beat you. In short, go court, go call the police for me. I go teach you with cane because they use and teach me. And if they don't use and teach me, I don't go be like as I be. Because I support that part when you intentionally they do something. You know, my mom, actually, they give me biro. Then inside the biro, she go tell me, say, if you no finish, I no bring empty case. I don't know, say my mom, you know, say that they write number for the biro. So I don't say my mom, they write those numbers. So me go don't look for one case. I don't tell her, say, yeah, the biro don't finish. Me why? I don't throw the biro
So you don't learn to the thief.
I thief free. Listen now. So me say I wise. So I'll come carry empty case, come give her. So she go come look at. She'll say, go keep it there. When I come back, I'll check. I will replace it for you. She'll come look and she'll come check the place where she did right, and you man get time. Check and check. She said, come here, you start lying. I wrote this thing with blue biro. It's not today I wrote it. See this one. Say,
you know, only lie, you can't thief, join.
Yes, I'll come they do like this. So she'll say, which person biro this one where you thief? I go steal somebody biro, change them.
So which you go prefer now?
I prefer the olden days in some parts. Then I prefer the new days because we are more informed now. You understand? It gets the way I'll take beat the pikin, make it no disfigure some part of him body, make it no hate him, make I no disconnect with my child. After I beat him, I will talk to her. But then
so you still prefer the olden days parenting?
Mix of both, 50-50. I know choose.
Oh, for me, olden days and new days. For me, maybe I notice that all those beating I make me not do the things where I do. I just know one do. So if now onto the beating, I'm gonna forget that thing. I prefer say make you call pikin. Follow and talk. Make the talk sink into the pikin brain. All this beating, you get some pikin maybe say you go they beat them, then go they worse put for inside that thing. Like me, if you say you want beat me, I'm all the only for you go hold. Catch up. It don't go change me. Now only by myself, maybe you don't. You get some kind of words where you go tell me, it go hit me, go sink, it go enter my brain. But if they beat me, 1 hour, 2 hours, the pain don't finish now. She be now beat you one beat. I go chop the beating. But so I feel nowadays children. Not because they beat them alone. You need to take your time. They're there for them. Make them your best friend. They follow them talk. So I go say new day for me. Because all those beating actually no work for me. My mother, they want this thing, but it don't work for me because when they beat me, the only if you want to beat me, if you kill me, I'll go heaven.
Because you know what? I don't think of mine. I feel why the beating not actually work for us.
No work.
It not work for us.
Because
I feel that the society then now actually make us waiting we be. Not the beating, really. If you talk about the beating, no. Our society was not as polluted as this society.
Yes, which now why they need to talk to the pikin, not be beating.
Apart from talking, you need that form of parenting is not all about beating. It's not all about beating.
Waiting again.
Oh my God.
Make you not bring shame come house.
No, wait, make I explain something. Given that form of parents in those days, now also say, okay, you do bad thing, if they no beat you, they fit tell you say, okay, they're not gonna give you food, or they're not gonna do this one for you. And if you use all those kind of things now for children of nowadays, you they push the children outside to do things where they no one do. So you know if you use different things they punish children, like they use cane, they punish them, or they use say you know go buy something for them, you know go buy Christmas clothes, give them, you know go buy this one, give them. The picking go just the worst they put for inside. As far as me, I concerned. So
well, me for the old school, new school, I tell you 50-50 because some kids disconnect from their parents during that beating days.
Yes.
And you see what's happen. The new days children, I can't notice that the parents now, the children they more affectionate, they feel they communicate and love.
True. That's why you thought that you will mix everything together.
I'll mix everything for me. I'll pick and rice and beans.
Yeah.
All right, we can go on to our old school video. We they come back.
Yes.
Old school.
Freedom is coming tomorrow. Get ready, mama, prepare for your freedom. Freedom is coming tomorrow. Get ready, mama, prepare for your freedom. Freedom is coming tomorrow. Yeah, you listen to mama. Yeah, you listen to mama. Yeah.
Is coming tomorrow. My freedom has come already anyway.
You watch that? I like watch Sarafina.
I don't know what now they call Sarafina, but onto that song where I watch now. I like one thing about South Africans. Their culture, everything. You they see the passion for inside the dance. You they hear them for inside the voice. You go, not be I don't shy your hair. This one you go no say then sit down then compose the song. Their whole being they inside.
In essence, you try to say. Wait. In essence, you try to say.
You know what
Make Nigerian artists try to.
No, these are not artists.
I beg anybody hear me talk Latin from my mouth.
I
just they give kudos to who
they
kudos they
appreciate
give.
they appreciate the fact that they still live up to that, their tradition,
This
their
na
culture and
Africa.
everything. They don't let them go. But you see Nigeria don't travel abroad, come back. The next minute
they travel abroad, then go airport.
No, when they escort person go airport.
I'm telling
They
you.
don't
You
come.
say abroad, you don't go far.
I'm gonna
All right,
go.
you get me out way. Make we just take 1 or 2 pictures because time not today our side. 1 or 2 pictures.
Picture
on top
one.
of your way. Picture 1.
Oh, nice hair.
Old school,
Fire say no rock. I go rock 'em.
Amaka,
Yes.
Queen B,
Yes.
Betiana.
Me and my husband go rock on.
All right, me no. Me no.
Hey, Hammer.
Oh,
MC Hammer.
one. Okay,
Yes.
Yo, and Betiana.
Not bad. Not
Amaka.
bad.
Yes.
Not bad.
Yes.
Yes.
Betiana.
No,
Me no.
I no go do
No
this
way.
one.
Do the
But
hair.
actually, this
No.
one pikin
All right, all
I
right.
like him, but actually my pikin if you come house with that kind of hair. Now for night I go baba.
brush
No,
am.
I do okay.
All right, make we read
It's
some of
okay.
our tweet on top Twitter. You want to read them, Betiana?
Okay, sorry, give me
Alright.
honor today. Waiting happen, your voice don't disappear.
No, nah. Now me gonna
Okay,
do another
on
time.
top of all the tweets, don't forget if you want to drop tweets now on top at Talk Wazobia. Now you go do at Clementina_Paul talk say before and now all of them they very okay. Too much beating they make Pekin change, but you go make that Pekin stubborn. Ikpole Johnson Ago. This matter past the level where we they see him. So olden days no bad, but nowadays make Pekin sabi good from bad at early age.
True. Good word.
Another person at Silver and Ways, they say, thank God I'm back. Telly is back. Okay, now the person we talk say in television spoiled that year. Say he don't miss the program very well. Say olden days parents and still they preferable in terms of discipline. At Mabel 38472 say, I think say olden days nine good pass to train Pekin because this modern days parents they spoil Pekin. At Betiana, I love you too much. I love you too. At Clementina_Paul talk again. Mercy no do any bad way she enter train. What she talk now just what way enter her mind at that time.
All right.
Make I continue?
No, you don't.
Okay.
All right, thanks a bunch to all those who don't send us message on top Twitter, but you were there out there, make sure say you like us on top Twitter at Wazobia and put your mouth on top the matter then we don't drop on top Twitter because tomorrow we go read your tweet. My name still remains Uvi Ehigamusoy and I go see you now tomorrow will be Friday. Thank God it's Friday.
Yes! Tomorrow is Friday. My name still remains Betiana Unweli. Yes, we can get
Why are you happy like that?
I know.
It's like, yes! Oh, very Friday. My name is Namaka Kudiafo.
All right, we go meet again tomorrow. It go be Friday. Since I'm Betiana forget say I've been get something I want to do for her on Friday, but since she forgets, I'll push and go forward.
If you
All
try
right,
it.
all they talk, say to talk, not be bad thing, but
Make it already, let's talk about